Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to contact Bread Financial. Now, I know you might be wondering why I'm even making a video about this. Well, the reason is simple. I've been getting a lot of questions from viewers asking how to get in touch with Bread Financial. And since I'm always happy to help out, I decided to make a video about it. So, without further ado, let's get started. How to contact Bread Financial. There are a few different ways to contact Bread Financial. The best way to contact them will depend on your specific needs. Here are some of the most common ways to contact Bread Financial. Phone. You can call Bread Financial at 1-833-755-4354. Email. You can email Bread Financial at support@breadpayments.com. Mail. You can mail Bread Financial at P.O. Box 182084, Columbus, Ohio, 43218. Online. You can contact Bread Financial through their online portal. Phone. If you need to speak to someone immediately, the best way to contact Bread Financial is by phone. You can call their customer service line at 1-833-755-4354. Email. If you're not in a hurry, you can email Bread Financial at support@breadpayments.com. This is a good option if you have a general question or if you need to send them some documents. Mail. If you need to send Bread Financial a physical document, you can mail it to them at P.O. Box 182084, Columbus, Ohio, 43218. Online. You can also contact Bread Financial through their online portal. This is a good option if you need to check your account balance, make a payment, or view your transaction history. Additional tips. Before contacting Bread Financial, be sure to have your account number and/or social security number handy. If you're calling Bread Financial, be sure to have a pen and paper ready to take notes. If you're emailing Bread Financial, be sure to include your contact information in your email. If you're mailing Bread Financial, be sure to include your return address on your envelope. I hope this video has helped you learn how to contact Bread Financial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.